Welcome back. I'm Lyle Jensen from AgroPlus, and I'm here today with Rae Westersund from Nufarm, and we want to go over some of their key products, including the new Thunderhawk from Nufarm. So let's let Rae talk about that.
Thunderhawk is a brand new product that Nufarm brought onto the market here this spring. It's a combination of 3 different active ingredients: Group 14 pyrofluoroethanol plus MCPA and fluorozolam. This is a great product to use ahead of your cereals, so your spring wheat, your barley, your durum, your oats. It's going to be really strong getting that residual control on any volunteer canola. So great fit on canola stubble going into cereals. You're also going to get really good activity on your winter annuals, narrowleaf hawksbeard, kochia, that's a key one, as well as cleavers.
Well, that sounds like it has a great fit here in southern Alberta. So now let's talk about soil residual herbicides, which have been such a great fit for Alberta pulse producers.
Valterra and Fierce are great winter applied soil active herbicides. These products fit really good in southern Alberta here ahead of peas and lentils. They're going to be really strong on kochia as well as some winter annuals such as shepherd's purse, red-root pigweed, and Russian thistle. Few key things with these products. It requires half-inch of moisture to activate it. So I'm a really big advocate of getting them down in the fall so that we have that half-inch of moisture to accumulate through the winter to have that spring activation. Coverage is essential. 10 gallons of water, please, and making sure that we're using fine nozzles so that we get an even coverage on the soil surface. And most importantly, wait till those soil temperatures drop below 10 degrees Celsius. With the hard frost the last couple nights, we're getting really close, but make sure that we are waiting till the soil temps go under 10 degrees. Those 3 things: coverage, applying it in the fall here so we get the moisture, as well as making sure our soil temps are cool enough to apply. You're going to have a really good activity on those weeds, and you're going to have a good spring pulse crop.
Okay, and for grassy weed control in the same crops, you also have Fierce EZ. Why don't you tell us about that?
Fierce is a combination of Valterra, which is the flumioxin, plus the added benefit of the Group 15, which is pyroxasulfone. This is going to give you the benefits that Valterra provides on the broadleaf, plus the increased control on some grassy weeds as well. Perfect application for Group 1 and 2 resistant wild oats, foxtail barley, as well as suppression of Japanese brome and downy brome.
Which is very important for the lentil producers out there. Thank you, Rae. It sounds like some great options for pulse growers. Thanks for coming in and sharing your products with us.
Thanks a lot.
And now that the soil temperature has dropped down to that 6 to 8 degree mark, it is that time of the year to get your soil applied herbicides down. Whether that is Valterra, Fierce, Fortress, Avedex, Rival, whatever they may be, anything that needs to be applied before soil frees up for early spring control should be done here in the next couple of weeks. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.